Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. We need to show you our latest Cybertruck custom build here. Say hello to this TMaxx Olympia Blue PPF. This is just amazing. This thing is eye-popping cool. And not only that, there's a few special effects on this truck from us that I'm gonna go through. This customer chose Olympia Blue PPF. That's the first thing we did, was install that on here. We've got embossed foundation series badges. We've ceramic coated everything. We've added window tint. This is an amazing look. I mean, this thing looks sharp. We've done a lot of different colors. Check out all of our videos. This one is really eye-popping. We've got the tsportline center caps added to the factory wheels. And one thing I want to show you that's super cool, this customer asked us to do a favor, something super special. Let me show you what's up here in the frunk. He's got the Tesla cooler, and we wrapped that to match the truck. We embossed a Cybertruck logo on the top of this. How cool is this? This guy is really loving the details. We had extra film, easy thing for us to do for this customer. But how cool is that there, guys? Okay, let us know what you think in the comments below. TMaxx, Olympia Blue, PPF, where is that on our color favorites? If you want to see a different color, drop a comment below. And make sure, give me a thumbs up on this video if you love this. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We got a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way.